This is Randy with Mooncalf Podcast, and I'm going to show you shit fucks how to make beer battered chicken. So, you're going to need one beer, one for you, this messy fucks for me. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to make your wets and your dries. So, I don't really follow a recipe or measure too much. You kind of go with your heart, how you feel, because otherwise, you know, you're just tracing, essentially. And is it really hard if you're tracing? Bam! That's one of those fucking things. It's alright if I make a little mess. I'm gonna clean it. I'm not gonna clean it. So far I just threw 2 cups into the dry. So I have 2 bowls here. This one's dry. This one's wet. Won't be wet for long, I'll tell you that. Oh! Yep. Because I make them dry. There we go. Alright, so enough of the flour. So, fucking done there. We're done with the goddamn flour. Now, we're going to focus on these dries. On the motherfucking dries. So first, we're going to go ahead and put some pepper. And again, I don't measure. You just go ahead and fucking put in there as much as you like. Doesn't matter. It does. It matters so much. But, you know, for right now, nothing matters. Cook with your soul, man. Fucking don't sticker with fucking bullshit measurements. That's oppression that the man tries to put on you. Alright. Onion powder, by the way. I'm almost out of this garlic and herb. I'm going to use the rest of that. That's a lot. But like I said, I'm running out, so fuck it. I'm going to go full tilt on this son of a bitch. Cayenne pepper. Alright. And you start stirring it together. And I'm sure most people are like, hey, Randy, that's not the right utensil for stirring. And I will say, you're correct. But you know what? It's the first thing I grabbed. So, yeah, fuck it. So, I'm going to do another round. Oh, got the cap in there. Do another round. A little bit of salt. Why won't you cooperate with me? Okay, so got some more pepper. The rest of this garlic and herb. Alright. A little bit of onion powder. You don't want too much. It is kind of... Fuck, it's a lot. Oh, it's kind of overpowering. So you just need a little bit in there just to add a little bit of flavor. And this is my second time making this. And I fucking perfected it the first time. I'm confident enough to film it this time. So we're going to see. We'll see how this all plays. So, boom. That's your motherfucking dries right there. Your wets. I found 2 eggs. Work great. So we're going to... 1 egg. 2, boom. I want to get good enough so I can just go ahead and like one-handed just boom, boom, throw it in there. I'm not though, sadly. And then this is the one for you guys. Whole bottle, the whole entire bottle. Yep. And then little salt, right? little salt, little pepper. And then, because I hate my butthole, Diablo Olito, I believe that's what it's called, but it's ghost pepper hot sauce. So you're going to use a nice helping of that. Oh, my butthole's going to hate me later. And my wife's, admittedly. So, here's the other thing. Fuck it, I'm using this. So, and then you just stir it together. Get it all nice and mixed up. So, the key is you want it a little thicker than pancake batter, but not much. You don't want too much batter, just a little bit. You don't want it too thick. This is a little thick, so I'm gonna need some more beer. I think I put too much flour in this one, so I'm gonna use a little bit more beer to thin it out. We got the 2 eggs, yeah. All right, there we go. That's starting to come together, and it's a nice, like, almost orangish color from the hot sauce. Yeah, I'm gonna regret that later. Just a big old bowl of sloppy regret. So, you got your seasoned dry, your sopping bowl regret, and I'll see you when it's time to start cooking. I don't measure shit! Now, there's many different theories on how to best tell the temperature of the grease, and Hi, YouTube people. Okay, so here's the thing. Now you have your wets and your dries. You're wet and you're dry, you're wet and you're dry, you're dry and you're wet. Alright. So now what you do, take a nice piece of chicken here. Alright. You get it in the wet. Right? Oh shit. Alright, so you drip it all into the wet. Try to get as much excess off as you can. Dump it into the dry. Alright? Cover that dry. Cover the wet with the dry. That's what you got right there. Alright. Cover it. Pick off the extra. Throw that motherfucker in there. Take the wet. Shake off the extra. Right? Throw it into the dry. Right? Cover this fucking shit. Alright. There you go. Throw that bitch in the grease. And then, pretty much, you rinse and repeat till you're out of chicken. Once I cook all of the said chicken, I will take a video of the result, or whatever. Toodles! Now, this isn't the whole dinner. Of course, this is just, the main, the beer battered chicken. We are having smoked Gouda mac and cheese, but that bitch comes in a box. Alright, well, chicken's done. Listen, listen, listen. Do you hear that shit? Oh, God. Look at that. Perfectly cooked, Nice and juicy. And look at the crisp. That's insane. The breading is wonderfully seasoned.